Let's go.
Come on. You're not gonna leave?
I ain't done nothing. I ain't going.
All right, listen. The business wants you to leave.
Girl, punch you in the face.
Get out.
Okay.
They're not taking you. They're just taking you outside.
All right, I'm not gonna tell you
You
again.
ain't gonna catch me. We ain't leaving.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, just tell
I
me.
ain't done nothing.
I'm so sorry.
I ain't done nothing. They just had me in on River Street.
All right, this is a different one.
They just had me in on River Street. They're not taking you.
About 2 seconds before we grab her.
Put your ass in jail. Out of here. Like I got to see. Out of here. Fix to me. Get the hell out of here. Watch out. Fix the rock. You up, man.
They come up here.
Fuck out this motherfucker. Like I said. Go to the goddamn room.
Okay, we'll go somewhere else. We're gonna explain to them.
We don't want them fighting out here, okay? You're just gonna have to just go. Ma'am, I'm not gonna tell you again. I'm not gonna tell you again. I'm not gonna tell you again. Okay? I'm not gonna tell you again. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Have a seat.
Yeah, she got damn on. Told you this, you can't come in. Back up.
She's not going in.
Ma'am,
Put
back
her in
up.
she can calm down. Put her in she can calm down.
Please over there. Right here.
Have a seat.
Okay. Mama, it's okay. Calm down.
Now,
Okay.
you got 2 options.
That's all.
All right, you've been very patient with you tonight. Hold on, back up, ma'am. Just back up. Back up. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. All right, you have 2 options right now. Okay? Option number 1, you go to jail for disorderly conduct and drunk in public, okay? Listen to me. Second option is somebody can grab a car and we can take you home.
That's okay.
Where?
It's my mother hat. We just need a taxi.
You need a taxi? Okay.
How do we call a taxi?
Fix
Y'all better fix my mother hat over my ears. We need a taxi. And they made me piss in my pants.
Because you're going to sit here until a vehicle comes and you can leave.
I ain't done nothing but try to go in there and pee. I tried to use the bathroom, not even get alcohol.
This is
Not even get alcohol. You wouldn't let me in there.
I didn't let you do anything.
I know you didn't. I know you didn't because I'm white. Because I'm white. That's all. She's got paid because I'm white. Because I'm white.
Ma'am, this is a private business. They have the right to refuse
Because I'm
service.
white. Because I'm
It has
white.
nothing to do with color.
White. Because I'm white.
There's a whole bunch of...
Because I'm white. Yes,
Don't pay her no attention.
We would like a vehicle to come and you guys can go home.
I just need a taxi. I bet he picked up with her drink. I swear.
Do me a favor. Take you back to your family house.
And she's going to be calm. She's going to be calm and sit here.
Don't let me go. No, let me go. Y'all kiss my ass.
You got some ID on you?
No, I ain't got shit. Put me up. Take me to jail.
Sit down. Sit down and calm down.
Sit down.
Sit down and calm down.
Take me to jail.
Sit down and calm down.
It's because I'm white. Y'all want to fucking... Y'all want to put yourself up with the police. Because y'all got white people. That's all it is. That's all it is. What is your password so I can show your ID? I want a white person over here who's not prejudiced to me. I want somebody who ain't prejudiced to me. They're prejudiced. No, they're prejudiced.
Listen. Can you back them up right now?
Y'all better get some
This is too crazy. Back up.
They're prejudiced. They're trying to lock me out because I'm white. You wouldn't let me go to the bathroom. You're prejudiced.
You can't use the bathroom if you're like
Hey, I'm not going to tell you again to sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit
down.
No,
Sit down.
ask the people at Wet Willie's on River Street.
down.
They just let me in
They're
on
two
River
different
Street.
businesses. They have
But
two
do you
different
see where I'm
owners.
coming from?
They have 2 different...
I was thinking, okay, no police officers at the door when I got there.
You only got to hotel?
No. I want them to take me to jail. Get these handcuffs off of me.
We are.
Now.
We are.
Now. Take me to jail in your car. You're a woman. Take me to jail in your car and get these handcuffs off of me.
I want you to go home.
I know. I want you to go home too because you're prejudiced. I want you to go home because you're not doing your job.
I'm so sorry.
Well, no, I'll need her to get into a vehicle. I'm not letting her walk away from me.
I ain't.
I need her to get into
I don't have to. I'm 44 years old. I'm older than you. You're as old as my daughter. You're as old as my daughter. You're 40. I'm 44 years old. I'm old enough to be your mama.
She's gonna go to jail.
For what?
For criminal trespass.
Okay, let's go.
Simple assault.
I gotta pee.
Hush, Mama.
I need to pee and change my clothes.
She just.
Okay, but I got to pee. Okay, let's go. What are you waiting on?
Yeah, well, it's too late for that.
What
Because
are you
we
waiting
asked her
on?
to leave.
What are you waiting
She
on?
refused to leave. You even
What
had
are
to
you waiting on?
drag her.
What are you waiting on?
I'm waiting on my supervisor so he can come
Okay,
take her
well,
home.
we're here.
She's literally.
I peed all over me. Look, I got piss all over me. That's all. I was literally, look, y'all
We
feel
need
my
everybody
piss.
just back
I got
up. The door
piss
is
all over me. I smell like piss. I said, let me go to, I know it is, because you're prejudiced.
Just hush.
Okay? I know. I'm going to call like y'all do,
Just
prejudice.
hush, Mama.
That's right.
Let me tell you what
Tell
you
me,
did wrong.
I'm listening.
The business, the guy who works at the front door, not us. He refused you to come in because you had no ID.
She had her
Listen,
ID.
Okay, but
she does not have a physical
valid
copy,
ID.
which
Listen,
means that they
no,
cannot let you in because they will be fine. You're not listening. You're talking over me.
Okay, no, I'm not.
Okay?
I'm listening.
They cannot let you in at this location without a physical ID. That's why the police are here, because of
Right.
underage drinking.
Right.
They told her she could not come in, and she
understand.
forced her way
No.
in.
Because she was about to pee on
Where's
me.
the- that doesn't matter.
Listen to
She's
my
an adult.
point. Listen
The
to my
daddy
point,
told you to
though.
come on multiple times and you refused to leave.
But listen to my
Then when you
point.
came out here,
He's not
you
listening.
tried to fight a police officer. That's
listen
why.
to
Yes,
my
she
point.
did. It's on my camera.
Listen to my
That's
point.
why I went hands on. That's why you're in
Okay.
handcuffs, because you tried to fight a police
Listen
officer.
to my point.
Now guess what?
She was trying to push
Now
her
guess
away.
what?
I'm fine with
Now guess
whatever you
what?
charge me with.
Now guess
but
what?
listen.
Now guess what? You're
for
not
me?
listening. You're not listening.
Okay.
You're not listening.
Okay.
That is your fault, not ours.
She
We
knows
told you
that.
to leave.
She knows.
Now this is why you're in the situation you're
She
in.
just had to pee.
Okay?
Okay.
So now I got to get my supervisor on because I had to put you against the wall and put you in handcuffs because you were getting ready to attack my officer. And I don't like that.
She don't fight.
Okay? She might not be a fighter, but she took a presumptive stance.
Yes, that's
All right?
Yeah.
Okay then.
But listen,
So
my
as long as we're
point.
squared away.
I just went to
just
the
had-
same. The reason why.
She knows
Okay,
that
you're
she
not
was
listening to
I'm
me.
listening to
You're
you.
not listening
The
to
reason
me.
why you did all that
Okay,
'cause
look
you had
at
to
me
pee.
when I'm talking.
Okay.
Just like I did with you, same respect.
Okay.
I just went to River Street and they let me in with that ID.
But listen,
It's the reason why.
let me give,
But you're right.
Let me give
Yeah,
you
you're
an
right.
example,
You're right.
okay? The McDonald's
I
down the street
understand.
might not be the same
Right.
McDonald's that
That's
you come
right.
to. There's
You're
different
right.
rules.
You're right.
All right?
Yeah.
Just leave.
But you didn't have to be so forceful. Why did they let me in there and you couldn't?
I didn't be
Because
forceful
you were
with
being
you.
prejudiced
We
towards
go for
me.
Ma'am, I asked you like 6 times to just leave.
And I said I had to
I
leave.
even let your
You
family
couldn't
teach
watch
you to
me.
leave.
Yes, but
Yeah, but you
And the
don't-
reason why I'm being ugly towards you is because you wouldn't let me in the pee.
I did not
We
refuse
didn't do
you.
that.
It was
That
the
was
one
the
at the
business.
door.
It
It
was
wasn't
never
me.
us.
He's
I
the
was
one
at
that
the
called.
We only
door.
came
Was he
over
there?
because you came inside and they wanted you to leave.
Well, I apologize to y'all. Like, I really
It was
do.
not us.
And I peed all over
it was the guy at the door. He's the one that
all
caused
the way
the
down. Because I
They were
respect
just standing
any
there.
law enforcement or anything like that. Like, I really
What
do.
is that, your dad?
I'm not
I let
prejudiced.
you.
Emma's being prejudiced to me.
It's okay. I told y'all not to come up here.
I don't give a f***. I'm coming up here. Yeah, they shouldn't be being prejudiced.
They're not.
There's 3 black men right
It's
there and a black
shut
woman
up.
right here. They're not. They're prejudiced. Somebody get somebody white up
Hey,
here.
Mama.
I'm not kidding.
It wasn't
I'm
It was
not
the guy
kidding.
at
I
the
want
door.
somebody
Talk to the
who is
manager.
going to be.
She-
I don't
she
care. I
has
want the
Caucasian.
police department. There ain't no white on the police
Yes, the
department.
woman is
Who's
white
the
right there.
chief?
She's the one that wouldn't let you in.
Okay, well, I want a white police officer up here because they're prejudiced. You were very mean to me. You tried to push me against the wall.
Yeah, I did because you
That's
tried to
'cause you was
see
that
You
my
tried to hurt me.
Yeah,
You were that-
they was.
No,
I
he don't accept my ID. He don't accept my ID.
Wait,
He knows.
I'ma tell you.
Nope, I want to go to jail and get an
We got to
attorney.
get out of
Just
here.
get an
Amy,
attorney.
we're trying to get
They
out of
hurt
here.
my
Amy,
neck and stuff.
we're trying to get out of here. Shut up.
And they They pushed me against the wall and hurt me and injured me.
Do you need EMS?
Yes, I do call them. That's why you're a police officer, so y'all get revenge on people. Like, I ain't even no police officer trying to get nothing against no white people or a black person or whatever. Because I love everybody. And they're trying to beat me down with stuff and the baton and everything else in that bar. Well, they should push me against the wall. Yeah. They did. My arm's over here. I say, well, when the handcuffs come off, they do an x-ray, they're going to see. Okay, well, whatever. They slammed me against this brick wall. This one is...
I know that.
Yeah, because I had to be... You see this on me?
Mama, what wrist?
It's the right one.
Oh, there we go.
It's what she wants to do. If she wants to go, then she's going.
That's fine.
This is her choice.
Yeah, that's fine. You know how much it costs for you to ride in an ambulance to go to the hospital? They're going to let you go with Tim if you...
Because they couldn't let me pee.
Do you want me to drive you to Memorial and we don't have to have a bill?
No.
I'll take you right now.
No.
No problem. Sorry this had to happen. No problem. Sorry this had to happen.
Can I sit around?
You can follow up with
It's a
EMS.
damn shame I wanted to my dog was a bullshit.
So now we gotta go write a report.
You blaming me? I didn't do nothing.
I didn't blame you. I'm